everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to make your ultra-wide photos look just a little bit better. So if you're like me, you use this setting all the time just to capture a little bit more inside of your frame. Also, you can be much closer to your subject as well as get everything inside of the frame. But sometimes when you do that with a ultra-wide sensor, you might have a little bit of distortion on the corners. So this is how you're able to make those photos just look a little bit better. So what you want to do is go inside of your settings inside of the camera. Now, as you scroll down, you're going to see this option here called Save Options. And inside of Save Options, you want to make sure that you toggle on this one right here. And you know it's toggled when you see the color of blue. Now, yours originally out of the box by default is turned off. So let me show you what it looks like when you have a photo that is the setting off and then the setting turned on. So we're going to go inside of the gallery. And I took a picture of my cameras that is sitting basically just directly behind me. Now, looking at this image, you can see that there's quite a bit of room right here. Now, this is a metal bar. It usually should go straight down, and there's quite a bit of area as a gap. Now, I'm pointing this out just so you can see the difference on what is really happening when you have this setting turned on. Also, over here is a small sign that I have, and you're going to notice that soon, both of those is going to go away and also shrink the gap. So what is happening here? So this is the setting turned off and this is the setting turned on. So it's kind of it's fixing a small fisheye effect. Also, if there was somebody's face right here, it's going to be completely distorted. Maybe they weren't supposed to be in the photo anyways. Basically what happens is with the shape correction, it crops in just a little bit. So it cuts off the very corners anywhere where it would be disshapen. And so it's a way that's able to correct its shape. So I hope that you guys understood this video. Hopefully this has helped you out. If you guys like this video, click on the like button. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. If you like this video, then more than likely you're going to like this video as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of